Hello, that's Hello with the Armageddon report. So much going on, at least tropical cyclone-wise. Let's take a look at the Northwest Pacific, where we still have Typhoon Prapiroon and a new one. Tropical Storm Maria, formerly a high tropical cyclone formation, and then once the JTWC Outlook updates, that thing will go away. Turn on the satellite and take a look at these bad boys. Or bad boy and girl. Is Prapiroon? That sounds like it could be a male name. Maria, obviously. Girls, maybe, yes. Anyway, here are the marine warnings in effect as per the JNA. These are typhoon warnings out for this area. Near gale, that could be related to the storm, definitely. This stuff probably not related to the tropical cyclones that are going on right now. So that's the Northwest Pacific for you. Out here in the South Indian Ocean, we have, what is it, tropical cyclone Anais. Cyclone tropical. I don't know how to pronounce it. Right, who is the equivalent, apparently, of a Category 3 hurricane, predicted to become the equivalent of a Category 4 hurricane. And look at this bad girl, because I think it's a French girl's name, right? Anyway, this is the satellite I found for this basin. Really well-defined eye in that. So, definitely, it looks like no effects to land as of, well, there could be surf conditions, you know, with the wind stuff. It could be generating dangerous surf. I still don't have access to land hazards for this basin, so I have no idea. But it is definitely headed for Madagascar, at least, as that. Formerly, the JTWC was showing it going much more like towards the northern areas. Now they're showing it kind of curving down. So, potential definite impacts for these islands here. In fact, I think one of these is Réunion, the thing that actually has the jurisdiction over this basin. Yes, whatever that island is called. And then over here we've got Paul. Paul does have land hazards. Wait, is it Paul? Rafael, see, they're all just, oh, that wasn't what I meant to go to then, was it? Rafael. There's just far too many things going on right now. But yes, Rafael has some land hazards in effect, rainfall and wind, and then Rafael predicted to become a hurricane soon-ish. However, won't be, you know, as close to land at that point, which is, of course, a good thing. You know, so potential impacts up here to parts of Canada and stuff. And, you know, of course, anytime anything starts heading out in this direction, I say, it could head to the Azores Islands. That could be what happens. Right. And then we do have Paul. Right, let's see. The one that I think I was calling, I thought it was going to be Olivia, because I'd already forgotten that Olivia had already happened this season. So this is the new Eastern Pacific storm that is generating dangerous surf, life-threatening surf and rip current conditions with that one. And apparently get quite close to Baja, California, or California de Baja. I don't know how they call that officially. So probably likely to continue generating dangerous surf conditions. However, it could also be rainfall if it's going to get that close and still be a tropical storm. So that's one to keep an eye on as well, right? I think so. Rafael, Atlantic, Paul is Eastern Pacific, Anais is the South Indian Ocean, and these are in the Northwest Pacific. Prapiroon and Maria. Right, that's what is happening in the land of tropical cyclones. Not as much happening today in the land of severe thunderstorms in regards to the US. Where yesterday as high as a 30% chance of both wind and hail. Now apparently hail is not a threat at all. No watches or warnings, and mesoscale discussions in effect as of yet. So let's take a look at the probability, that's what, probability maps. This is the wind map, so this is the probability of severe wind, which would be 58 miles per hour greater, so 15%, and then 5% all the way to some of the northern parts of the US, and all the way to parts of the southern US, just the small areas or something. Hail, which would be 1 inch or larger to be considered severe, is apparently not part of the current outlook. Tornado, any size tornado is a severe weather event, at a 2% chance, which isn't all that high, but, you know, generally most days it's nothing for, you know, any given area, so that makes it high by comparison. But yes, quite a huge amount of states covered by it, at least. So what would that mean? You could pick this area in Tennessee, for instance, and any random point in Tennessee that's in the green area, you draw a 25-mile radius circle around it, and that means that there's a 2% chance that a tornado will occur somewhere in that 25-mile radius circle. Yes, tomorrow, just a 5% chance. Moves up to the coast. That's it. And then days 4 through 8, at least as of now, don't look to have severe thunderstorm hazards at all. Right. SevereWeatherTV.com. I couldn't remember the name of the site there for a second. I had to read it in the address bar. Yes, SevereWeatherTV.com. That's the official homepage of the screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. Cyclone. I always like to go back to the main page. Oh, look, the colours have changed again. All right. It looks like one of those sugary candies out there. Anyway, Cyclone is CYCLOCANE.com. That's it. Hopefully you're enjoying your lovely weekend or whatever is left of it.